Hi, my name is Carillisa from my girlfriend's quilt shop, and this week's demo is our Daley design turntable cutting mat. And I will show you how that is done just like this. So when you're quilting, a lot of times you're cutting, and you've got to cut around a template. When you have our cutting mat, you cut, hold down and turn, cut, hold down and turn, cut, hold down and turn. And that keeps you from having to shift and pick up your fabric every time you want to turn. So instead of having to do that, you just turn the mat. It's pretty awesome, especially when you're doing something like fussy cutting, when you want to just cut out, when you fussy cut, it's when you take a little image that you want to take out of your fabric to use. We hold that down, same thing, we cut, and rather than having to pick up the fabric, I'm just gonna and readjust, because if you readjust you might lose where you're cutting. Sorry, I can't see that if I've got it all. And then cut again. The magic of this is that you don't have to pick up your lose where you're at on your paper, on your fabric. You just turn. It's very, very easy.